What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Quaxly from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the hair. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down and then back up on the right. So bring this down, round up the center, and then go up. Now I'm going to add some hair on the right side. So from the end of the line, I'm just going to curve this around and then bend that in. Let's curve this up to the top, going out and then up. Let's round this out, come down, and then just bend that in. Now you want to tuck the eyes in underneath the hair. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw an oval, going all the way down towards the bottom of the eye. And we'll just tuck that back up along the top. Let's leave a gap and draw the same thing on the right. Coming down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to draw a small oval on the inside. Let's draw the edge of the eyelid. We're going to step out, curve this around, and then bend that in. Now let's place the beak underneath the eyes. We're going to start right in the middle, draw an oval, going out towards the left, round this out, and come in towards the middle. Go all the way out towards the right, round this out, and we'll just close off the top. Let's go to the center of the beak, start with a point, bend the mouth going out and then down towards the left and right side. And then from the ends, we're just going to curl this up towards the corners of the mouth. Let's go up to the top and draw two short lines coming in for the nostrils. Now I'm going to move out and draw the outside of the head. On the left side, let's start with a curve going out and then down towards the side. Bend this out and then down towards the jaw. Let's go all the way over towards the right, bend this out, and then come down towards the same height. Let's round out the jaw, come down, and then in. Now I'm going to move back up and draw the outside of the hair. Let's start from the left side of the head, start with a curve going out, and then we'll bend that up towards a point, come in, and then up towards the side. Now you want to round out the top of the head, go across, and then back in towards the right side. So go up, round out the top, just go around the hair, go down, and then bend that in. Now let's move down and draw on the left wing. We'll start from the bottom of the head, curve the wing going out, and then down. From here we're going to bend this out, come around, and then in. Let's overlap the thumb on top. We're going to step in, curve out, come back in. Now we're going to bend this up towards the inside of the arm, coming in, and then up. Let's go to the right side of the head, curve this out and down with a short line. Now you want to leave a gap, draw the side of the body going around, come down, and just pull that in toward the center of the body. Let's draw on the left side. Come down, and we'll bend that up underneath the wing. Let's go back to the right side of the neck, curve the wing going out, come around, and then just bend that in, and we'll fold around the hand, stepping back, go around, and then in towards the side of the body. Let's add a half oval along the top. Coming down, and we'll bend that up. Now I'm going to move down and tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left, draw a straight line coming down towards the ankle, and do the same thing on the right. Now on the left side, curve this in, bend that across, and then up. Let's go back to the left side, round out the bottom of the foot, and go up towards the side. Now let's round out the tip of the foot, come in, and then bend that down. Now I'm going to go on top of the foot and curve the outside of the leg, coming in, and then go straight up underneath the body. Let's grab our ultra fine point marker and add a fold along the inside of the foot. Put this up and in on both sides. Now let's add that highlight along the top of the head, starting right in the middle with a point. Bend this down and up toward the left, and then the right side. Let's round up the ends and just pull that back in. Now trace these curves come back in towards the center point. And then we'll finish off by sanding our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Quaxly from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.